Hello, Stevie here, and here are my shops, and this is how I make a living. These are collage and junk journaling shops here for supplies and other things like junk journals, and my book shop that I've been purging, and then my vintage shop that is my original, 9 years. Has a lot of vintage things in it. So if you've got gifts you want to buy, there might be something there you like. So my shops are for people that need supplies. And I'm still working on these piles of miniature junk journal signatures, I'm gonna say. This pile is something I can use right away, and I have just taken mostly magazines, some book pages or books, and I tore them or cut them in usually four, I think, or in half, and then I folded them, I think. So 4 by 5 1/4. They're varying sizes because I just took the books and folded them in half and then tore them here and then folded those in half. But these are the ones that are more book page or plain. I've got some plain here. There's the plain. I kind of went through some of a box again because now that I have a nice sewing machine, I can redo the ones that need to be sewn. Some of these are a little bit thinner, but they're actually pretty sturdy magazine papers, so they don't need to be sewn. And then with these, I put 11. They kind of were already done, so I just went through them and made sure that the papers aren't too thin. Now this one it's fairly thin, but I'm gonna leave it anyway because it has things on all sides. And so I just kind of made little signatures in here with 11 pages. So that's my pile of 11. And then I'm putting together the ones that I have sewn with other pages. And I think I'm up to 6 in here. Let's see, I can come in here and add another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, now it's 7. I'll just get to the middle and add one of these. Well, I'm going to put those there. I want a stiffer one. Let's see. There. That's a little big. That's okay. It'll fit. I don't have exact because everything's a scrap or repurposed magazines and books. So I can use what's just going to be thrown in the landfill. And I try not to do that. But I've also found that I need to start letting go a little more. And I tend to keep everything. And that is just not good. Because then I get to where I can't do anything because there's too much stuff in the way. That's why I want to get these in my Etsy shop for sale so that I can have more room. Because my little inventory area has plenty of room to store things. I mean, preferably everything just sells immediately. That's what I would prefer. Reality isn't quite there. But I hope you like my videos, and comments always help the algorithm in YouTube. If you want to leave me positive comments, I try real hard to make sure that I answer them. So thank you for watching. Hope you will like, subscribe, and share my channel. See you in the next one. Bye.